Jai Jagannath and welcome back to my channel Rover Hightail. So today we are going for an adventure in the middle of the river Mahanadi. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. So let's begin. Imagining myself in the middle of nowhere and surrounded by just deep water from all sides was a mixture of bathophobia, that is fear of depth, and agoraphobia, that is fear of places. But the heart wants what it wants. I went on with this kayaking plan, and now, when I'm actually doing it, and I'm well in the middle of the river Mahanadi and surrounded by its tremendous volume of water, I find peace. I find solace. During these difficult times that we are facing right now, the anger of nature which we are seeing, it is good to reconnect with Mother Nature. And with this river who has been believed to show path to wanderers since ancient times. I, you, us, we all are wanderers searching for something meaningful, something that would bring comfort to our soul. Well, our generation is the future, but amongst our busy lives, we forget the reason to live, how we are alive. The food, oxygen, water, all are essential. But what really is essential is the want to live, to find inner sanctity.
हेलो व्यूअर्स आज मो संगे अच्छा ओडिशा मैरिटाइम रो कायाकिंग एडवेंचर्स रो सत्यकी बोस चलନ୍ତୁ ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କଠୁ ଶୁଣିବା କେମିତି ସେ କାୟାକିଂ ଆଡଭେଞ୍ଚର୍ସ କୁ ଏଠି ଚଲାଉଛନ୍ତି କେମିତି ଆପଣ ମାନେ ଆସିକି ଏଠି ଏଣ୍ଟରଟେନ୍ ହେଇପାରିବେ କେମିତି ଆପଣ ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ଭଲ ୱିକେଣ୍ଡ ମନେଇ ପାରିବେ ତ ଆପଣ ସାମ୍ନାରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ସତ୍ୟକି ବୋସ୍।
हाय गाइस मु सत्यकी बोस फाउंडर ओडिशा मैरिटाइम आमर जो एडवेंचर स्पोर्ट्स देखुଛନ୍ତି ଏଇଠି କଟକରେ କଟକ ମହାନଦୀ ନାରାଜ ଆମେ କରିଛୁ ଆଉ ଏଇଠି ଆମେ ଅଫର କରୁ କାୟାକିଂ ହେଲା stand up paddle snorkeling scuba diving camping सब କିଛି ଆମେ ପ୍ରୋଭାଇଡ करछु with कटक सिटी टूर्स ଆଉ स्ट्रीट फूड एक्सप्लोर करिवे सब କିଛି ଆମେ प्रोवाइड करू एठी।
So as I was talking to Mr. Bose, I found out there are many interesting packages over here. Like you can kayak for 2 to 4 hours, or you can have an expedition over here. You can kayak up to Dhabaleswar temple, Siddheswar temple, or the Peacock Valley, and come back to base. And there are also many interesting packages by them. For the details, I will be giving the number in the description. Don't hesitate to contact him for any such experience you want. I am here, and when I close my eyes, I can feel and hear even the tiniest details, like the miraculous sound of the flowing river, the boat moving slightly due to the current present in the river, the whistling wind, and the chirping of the birds returning to their home. These are the things that we are missing out. I would suggest you to come here, reconnect with the nature, soothe your pain, and relieve yourself from all your worries and enjoy life. And I'm sure you won't regret doing it, cause दोस्तों जिंदगी लंबी नहीं बड़ी होनी चाहिए.